Hello, my name is Dmitry Kuznetsov, and I'm a patent attorney and legal expert of the Russian Federation. I'm recording this video in the middle of March 2022. As you all know, the geopolitical situation at the moment is not developing in the most favorable way. Many investors, entrepreneurs, and also some law firms who represented your interests are leaving or have already left the Russian market. However, it is important to understand that exclusive rights to trademarks, patents, and other intellectual property belonging to non-residents still valid on the territory of the Russian Federation. At the same time, the legal practice of recent days is developing in such a way that the rights and legitimate interests of foreign right holders, whose states are included in the list of countries unfriendly to Russia, are not taken into account in any way, and it will be extremely difficult to achieve a fair decision in court. Let's look at one example: Arbitration Court of the Kiev region and its decision from the March 3rd of 2022. I also attached the decision to this video so you can read it yourself. The court decided to dismiss the claim because the claimant was from UK. The legal act referred to by the court is Decree of the President of the Russian Federation of February 28 of 2022, number 79, which is called On the Application of Special Economical Measures in Connection with Unfriendly Actions of the United States of America and foreign states and international organizations that have joined them. The list of these unfriendly states is attached as a separate document. It is important to understand that any crisis will end sooner or later, and the situation will stabilize after a few years. During this period of political turbulence, it is important not to lose money invested over many years and not to lose control over the exclusive rights on the territory of the Russian Federation. For any lawyer, it is extremely important to have legal relations between subjects. For me, as well as my Russian colleagues, this approach is no exception. Each person, whether he is a resident of the United States or Russia, has equal rights in court. This is enshrined both in the national legislation of the Russian Federation and in many international treaties, including the Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Property. Dear colleagues, if you want to ensure the protection of your customers, do not hesitate to contact us. You see the contact information on your screen. We will process each of your requests, develop an accurate plan that will include assistance with opening a legal entity in a jurisdiction friendly to the Russian Federation. For example, in Kazakhstan, the United Arab Emirates or China, and subsequent alienation of exclusive rights to the entire list of objects to this legal entity in order to preserve the possibility of protecting legal rights on the territory of the Russian Federation. This will help to maintain control, ensure the protection of rights, and the safety of investments. Please forward this message to as many of your fellow patent attorneys and lawyers around the world as possible. And remember, time is now worth its weight in gold, because tomorrow it may be too late. In recent days, we have been increasingly hearing political statements by the leadership of our country about the possible nationalization of foreign assets of unfriendly states. Take care, and thank you for watching this.